complicado doble. We go. Hop, king, king, pa, king, king, pa, king, king, pa. 1, 2. Hello, La Suerte Dance School. As number 15 of our beginners Cuban Salsa course for couples, Michal and Ola. I'm sorry my voice is like it is. I already told you in some previous episodes what happened, so I will not talk about it. It's coming back slowly, so classes have to move on. Anyway, I'll start with one thing. This is already class number 15. We are pretty close to finish our beginners course. And I thought that when you already completed so many classes with us, I thought that I'll just give you this guide. So I'll give it in digital form. You can find it in the description of this video, and then you can print it for yourself and tick all the moves that you already completed, that you already learned, and that you already mastered. As an alternative, we can still send you a physical copy. It's just £5 if you are living in UK, or £7 if you are somewhere abroad. And obviously it helps us to run our classes and to survive this difficult period. So we appreciate your help. If you want to get one, send us an email. Even when it's still a beginner's course, our moves are getting slightly more complicated, and today's move has it even in its name, because we are doing Sombrero complicado doble. Let's go. Sombrero complicado doble is a move based on sombrero. So we trust that you know sombrero already. I'm not sure about number of classes, but I believe it's around class number 5. I will attach link in the card on top, so you can watch sombrero, make sure you can do it very, very fluently and well. Come back to this class and do sombrero complicado doble with us. Let's go. We start with guapea, 5, 6, 7. We'll show you everything from the beginning to the end, and then we'll discuss it. 1, sombrero complicado doble, boom. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And back, cheeky chick, and front, cheeky poco. Now, the same slowly. 5, 6, 7. 1, sombrero complicado doble, like sombrero. Pull, change, give second, and around. Both hands on shoulders. This is the moment when things start getting different. Left hand, left for both of us, goes in between our heads. A right one, I pass it under, and Ola gives her hand in front. And in this setup, we do dile cano and Coca-Cola like sequence. 5, 6, 7. Dile cano, front and turn. Front, left, turn. Hands are crossed, left to the left, right to the right. From this point, and chufla. 5, both hands up. 1, 2, both on shoulders. 5, 6, 7. We finish with the right on her right shoulder, left on my left. And this hand setup is not anymore like sombrero, it is like el uno. So her hand on top, mine on the bottom. 5, 6, dile cano, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, the same sombrero complicado doble, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So one more time we'll go through steps. The first section is exactly the same like sombrero, so I'll skip it. But from now, dile cano, she starts with the right back. Step forward still on 5, and rotation to the left on 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Now, in regular Coca-Cola, she would go this direction, yeah? But now, I continue rotation of arms, so they continue the same way as Coca-Cola. Now, there are 2 ways to lead this part. I can continuously lead forward, so then she doesn't step back. 5, 6, 7, just carries on walking forward. Or, normally, what we encourage beginners dancers to do at the beginning is to do clear step back, to add a bit more dynamics to your lead. So if 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and step back, tiki hop, and back, 6, 7. So I relax hands for a moment when she steps back, and then we continue forward with regular and chufla. We'll do it one more time, and I'll discuss it from guy point of view. 5, 6, 7. One sombrero complicado doble hop. 1, 2, 3, 5 guys, dile que no front and rotate to the left a bit. Small step back and chufla, back and together, and dile que no hop. And 5, 6, 7. Now, we've done already sombrero complicado on our channel. Again, I will attach it in cards. You could ask, why do we do sombrero complicado doble, which name suggests that might be more complicated on beginner's course, but then sombrero complicado is an intermediate move. The reason for that is that in sombrero complicado doble, I hold two hands, so it's a bit easier to lead. So sombrero complicado or complicado doble doesn't suggest the level of complication. It just tells you how many hands you are using, okay? So in sombrero complicado, I'll show you very quickly. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. After this swap, I'm using only one hand. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And in sombrero complicado doble, after the swap, 5, 6, 7, we are using two hands. Ting, ting, coco, and 1. And because of that, leading is slightly easier. 6, 7, 1. In general, I don't think it's a very complicated move. So let's do it opposite direction. 1 sombrero complicado doble boom. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And dile que no hop. And 5 a bit slower. 1 sombrero complicado doble hop. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. And nice. And we'll go with music. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. And back, chick, chick. Front, chick, coco. And 1 sombrero complicado doble go. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7. And 1. 6, 7. And 1. 6, 7, and 1. Sombrero complicado doble. That signal. I promised last time to show you. Again. Sombrero complicado doble. We go. Hop. King, king, pa. King, king, pa. King, king, pa. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, and 1. In general, for complicado and doble, triple, these are universal signals for all moves. 6, 7, and sombrero complicado doble. Hop, king, king, pa. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 1. And let's do it opposite angle. And king, king, cuckoo, and pim, 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 pim. Sombrero complicado doble. Hop, king, king, pa. King, king, pa. And king, king, hop. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1. And one more time, sombrero complicado doble. Hop and chick, 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 and chick, chick. 5, 6, 7, and 1. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Okay, and review. Ting, 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 la chica. El chico. Dile que no. 5, 6, 7, and 1. 5, 6, 7, and 1. 5, 6, 7, and 1. 5, 6, Coca-Cola. Paseala. And ting, 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 and 1. 5, 6, 7, and chufla doble, alarde. Hop, 1. Ting, ting, and 1. Exhibela. And 1. Dile que no. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, and 70, 70. Hop, ting, ting. And ting, ting. Ping, ping. 5, 6, 7, and 1. 6, 7, and vacílala los dos. Hop. 6, 7, and 1. 6, 7, and 1. Okie dokie. I feel that when I'm talking, I'm hitting a lot higher notes than usual. But classes have to continue. Don't want to stop dancing. And I hope you're enjoying our course. We're pretty close to reach the end of the beginners classes. I think we have around 3-4 more moves that we have to introduce you to. And another aspect is like, if you look at our beginner's guide, there are some moves that we didn't show at all. And the reason for that is because they are rueda moves. So they are moves that involve few different couples at the same time. So for now, we are showing only moves for one couple at the time that you can easily practice at home. I know that some people have big kitchens that they can practice ruedas. I remember this from my university times. We used to do rueda for 5 couples in our kitchen. You get that. If you would like to see this couple of last remaining classes, like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. Remember that this time you can download our beginner's guide. The link is in the description. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.